Hi, Jason here. On the 1st of January 2020, septic tanks that discharge into watercourses or are too close to them will become illegal in 2020. After this date, the government will start monitoring streams and rivers, and any septic tank owners found to be polluting any watercourses will face heavy fines and prosecution. So, what's the solution? How can you make your septic tank legal? Well, one option is that if you have the space, you could relocate your septic tank to another part of the garden. The downside to this is that it's a lot of hassle and expense to do so. Another option is that you could replace your septic tank with an electric biodigester sewage system. Again, a good idea, but the downside is that they can cost anywhere from £15,000 to £25,000 upwards to install, plus an electricity bill of £1,500 a year. However, there is a simpler, easier and more cost-effective solution that many people are choosing. It's called a septic tank converter, and it turns your sewage waste into clean, safe organic water, making your septic tank smell-free, pollution-free and safe for your family and the environment. The septic tank converter is building regs approved and is very easy to install. Just dig a hole next to your septic tank, insert the septic tank converter, insert the German silt chamber which comes free with the tank, and cover with soil. Job done. It really is as simple and as easy as that. So, how much does the septic tank converter cost? Well, they're normally $3,999. But today is the start of the summer sale, and for the next 7 days you can now get the septic tank converter for only $2,999. That's a saving of £1,000, and when this limited stock is gone, this offer will end. The septic tank converter stops pollution and removes smells, making your septic tank safe for your family and the environment. So, if you want to beat the septic tank ban, avoid fines and prosecution, and save £15,000 to £25,000 on having to replace or relocate your septic tank, then the septic tank converter is definitely for you. To get your septic tank converter, just go to septictank.co.uk or click the link below this video.